Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here with Hive and also YouTube with 30 Days of Indonesia, a project that I started 33 years ago when it was actually always about Indonesian recipe, sweets and savory snacks from Indonesia. But this year I kind of strayed from only Indonesian recipes. I have been sharing goodies from Canada and Hungary. And for today, day 22, I have another one from Hungary. It's called Farsangi Fank. This is translated to festivity or festival donuts. The donuts itself, it doesn't have holes like normal donuts we find in any other countries, but they have a crater in the center where they put jam. So the Hungarians they serve the donuts with jam in the center, but it's not piped in. So you will see in the video if you are interested to make. So this is Farsangi Fank for day 22, 30 Days of Indonesia project, and this one is a recipe from Hungary. I'll see you soon. Bye. So what I have here is 350 milliliter lukewarm nut milk. You can use nut milk, regular milk, or rice milk, oat milk, or even just lukewarm water with 2 teaspoons of sugar and 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast. We're gonna leave it until it blooms. For the dry ingredients, 500 grams of flour, half kilogram, a pinch of salt, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. We're just gonna mix it. Then we're gonna pour into the yeast mixture. We're gonna knead that. This is nicely bloomed, so we're gonna place it or put it into a larger bowl, and then we're gonna dump our flour mixture. And then we're just gonna give a stir until they are clumpy, and then we have to knead it with our hand. For the vegan margarine, this is 56 grams, and we're just gonna mix it into the dough until it's pliable. Once dough is prepared, kneaded, we're just gonna dump it on our working surface, and we're gonna roll it and cut it into rounds, into donuts. So you want it not too thick but also not too thin, and then with your donut cutter you just cut it into rounds and place it on your parchment paper lined baking pan, and we're gonna let it rest until doubled in size. That they are cut, you want to cover it and then let it rest until double in size. Cover it with cling wrap. Want to fry the dough until golden brown. I have to mention, in Hungary their donuts, which is called fang, right? They are round, but do you see this crater in the middle? That's how funk is, because they will put the jam on the center before and then they sprinkle it with icing sugar. So they don't have donut holes, but they have the crater. So here they are, Hungarian donuts. I topped some with strawberry jam and the other with peach jam, but my kids, they top theirs with Nutella. So yeah, nice.